Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis and insights. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into RenovoRx's first quarter 2025 financial results. RenovoRx, a life sciences company, is making strides in the oncology sector with its innovative RenovoCath device. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. RenovoRx has certainly caught the market's attention with its recent developments, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. RenovoRx reported revenues of approximately $200,000 for Q1 2025, marking their first full quarter of commercial sales. John, how does this align with market expectations?
RenovoRx's revenue exceeded internal expectations, which is a positive sign. The company is in the early stages of commercializing its RenovoCath device, and this initial revenue is promising. They also maintained a cash position of $14.6 million, which is expected to support their ongoing projects, including the Phase 3 TIGeR-PaC trial. However, they reported a net loss of $2.4 million, with an EPS of -0.08, which was in line with the forecast from analysts.
Given these numbers, what are your thoughts on their financial health?
While the net loss is notable, it's not unexpected for a company in the commercialization phase. The key takeaway is their ability to generate revenue and maintain a strong cash position, which bodes well for their future growth and operational stability.
Strategic initiatives and market potential. RenovoRx has outlined some strategic initiatives and market potential. Can you elaborate on their plans and how they aim to capture the market?
RenovoRx is targeting a $400 million peak annual U.S. sales opportunity for RenovoCath, based on their initial market analysis. They are also progressing with their Phase 3 TIGeR-PaC trial, which is crucial for their long-term success. Additionally, their robust patent portfolio, with 19 patents globally, strengthens their competitive position and supports their commercialization efforts.
What does this mean for their growth prospects?
The combination of a strong market opportunity, ongoing clinical trials, and a solid intellectual property foundation positions RenovoRx well for future growth. Their focus on expanding into other cancer indications could further enhance their market potential.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about their operational efficiencies and future outlook. What are the key points here?
RenovoRx's R&D expenses increased to $1.7 million, reflecting their investment in commercial scale-up and clinical trials. SG&A expenses also rose to $1.6 million, driven by personnel and consulting fees. Notably, management and board members purchased 143,000 shares, signaling confidence in the company's future.
How does this impact their outlook?
The increased expenses are a natural part of their growth strategy, and the insider stock purchases are a positive indicator of management's belief in the company's potential. Overall, RenovoRx appears to be on a solid path towards achieving its strategic goals.
Key takeaways. In summary, RenovoRx has made significant strides in its first quarter of 2025, with promising revenue from its RenovoCath device and a strong cash position to support future growth. Despite a net loss, the company's strategic initiatives and market potential are encouraging. John, any final thoughts?
RenovoRx is in a pivotal phase, and their progress in commercializing RenovoCath, along with their clinical trial advancements, sets a strong foundation for future success. Investors should keep an eye on their upcoming milestones.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on RenovoRx's performance in the comments below. Until next time.